Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving east in Mount Zion on Leaseland Road, turning onto Bottom Street. The road ahead is impassable, and we are turning back to the main road. We are back at the main road. Going left will take you towards Spicy Grove, Cranbrook and Chester, but we are making the right towards Mines and Laughlands. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.